Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set personal preferences in the Claude app. This feature helps you customize your experience, so Claude responds better based on your needs and style. If you want more personalized answers and better results while using the app, this is something you should definitely set up. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Claude. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, so you don't miss any new features. Once the app is updated, simply open the Claude app on your device. Now, tap on the three white lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. After that, tap on your profile section. Then tap on Profile Settings. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find the Personal Preferences option and tap on it. Here, you can type your personal preferences, like how you want responses, your tone, style, or any specific instructions. After entering your preferences, they will be saved and applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set your personal preferences in the Claude app. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.